Well, guys, made it back from the beach. Best part about the beach is swimming in the pool. We played mini golf down our arcade. It was so fun. I have race cars, motorboats, so much ice cream. Now we're loaded up, heading back to Arkansas. Guess what's coming up? My favorite fishing derby. Let me show y'all how to catch them.
Oh, you got it. Come on. Wow.
Whoa, what you got?
Good job, dude.
Leon Cisterlani, come to the table and get your prize. Also, Collins, your prize is ready too. Carson
Am I
Collins.
going to win?
You might. Got your fish.
2 pounds, 6 ounces.
Woo! Great job, buddy.
You need to.
That's a nice one.
1 pound, 2 ounces, Joshua Nixon.
Joshua Nixon. Okay, your mama see you. All right. You got it?
These are a picture of all the winners. I won first place. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.